Yeah. I'm opening up the door in the back. For God's sakes, don't kill me, because Joe's behind me.
There.
Hi, Beast. Oh, you're already there? Okay.
Yeah. Scav left.
Yep. I don't know where, though. Is he in
That's
the
perfect.
building?
Get in there. There he is. There's two. I'm gonna kill one. One more.
Oh, boy. I am hurting. Owie, owie, owie.
We're coming in. We're coming in.
Yep, I'm downstairs.
Yeah, we're with you.
Ow! I like. I don't have my fucking shit on an easy, like. Oh. I'm putting on an arm, so whatever comes, comes.
I'm just looking. I'm just
destroy it.
for.
So, Shadow, I'm doing Slaughterhouse, which is I've got a melee 10 scavs on every single map. But I've got a... so I'm running with a pistol, a machete, a splendid old fucking... Like the real challenges? Yeah. I like getting shit on, essentially. Hi, Bulldog.
Dead.
That's not a knife. This is a knife. Once
Did you use a... I have a splint. Why don't you have a splint?
Because I died, and I forgot.
There's another
Don't...
one coming.
Here, put this in your butt.
Something jumped? Something's running?
In your butt.
Joe, you okay?
Yep.